Party scenes, girly. Let me take it. सारी सारी तेरी बेकरारी तेरी मुझे के आज डूब जाने दे ये आज
I love long hairs, but maintaining it is such a pain. I tried this hibiscus and ceramides range from Plum, which put an end to my worries. First, cleansed my scalp with the shampoo, which is packed with hibiscus extract that hydrates and conditions, and ceramide, which smoothen and repair the hair. Then, I followed this up with the conditioner, which is deeply nourished my hair as well. I ended with the smoothing serum, which made my hair very silky and shiny. Now my hair looks and feels so great, and it smells amazing. Try it yourself using my code.